What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to go over another credit card, and this time I'm going over the American Express Platinum card. Before I start, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I'm doing a giveaway, which I will get into at the end, so stick around to the end of the video to hear all about that giveaway. So the American Express Platinum card seems like a really good card from all of the videos I've seen, from all of the people that have the card, from all of the different research that I've done. But there are some people that don't like the card, and I guess it all depends. So I'm going to go through all of the different benefits of the card and then see how it would fit in my wallet, how it would fit in with my spending, and to see if it's worth it for everyone, basically. So the reason why I want to review this card is because actually I want to get it. Right now I have the Amex Gold card, which I get, all of these different benefits off of my normal spending, which is like groceries, dining, things like that. But with this card, you get more benefits off of like travel stuff. So this is very interesting to me, and I wanted to start traveling a lot more. So I want to see what cards are out there. And I've been looking at different cards from Chase, different cards from American Express, different cards all over the place. So I'm going to jump into this detail and we can go from there. So to look at the benefits for the American Express Platinum card, you have a bonus offer of 60,000 membership rewards points when you spend 5,000 in your first 3 months. Now 5,000 is a little bit high for like my spending. Actually, I think that I would probably be able to get there. But typically I can spend around $3,000 in that 3-month time period, maybe 4,000. It just all depends what bills I can apply it to. So looking at all of my bills, I don't really know, but I would hope so, because I would like to get the 60,000 rewards points. If you wanted to put that in a dollar figure, it would be about $600. So that's definitely a benefit. They also have a $200 Uber credit in $15 increments. So basically you get a $15 statement credit every month. In December, you get $20, basically a bonus $20 saying, hey, you made it through the year. Whoop-de-doo. So they have that, and you also have a $200 airline credit, a $200 baggage fee credit. You get 5 times back on travels booked directly through American Express Travel. You get 5 times membership rewards points on prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel. You also get global lounge access. This is something that I'm very interested in, and I want to research a little bit more, because being someone that's from the outside, I wouldn't know what to do going in there. So obviously I need to research a little bit more after I do get the card. And when I do get it, I'll probably do an unboxing and everything, but that'll just be another review, I guess. But this is just a review before that review, if I get it. You also get a $100 statement credit for purchases at Saks Fifth Avenue. And just doing a little bit of research on what that is, what they all have, if they have anything that I would like. And they do have a bunch of different things, shoes, handbags, so I can get something for my wife, women's apparel, they have men's stuff, they have kids stuff. So you can spend $100, you get a $100 statement credit. So that goes into all of the perks that you have. So the annual fee on this card is a whopping $550. Now that's very steep. So it's good that they do offer you a lot of perks, but the real question is it worth it? So I'll get into is it worth it in a second, but I did just want to let you know what the credit score is in order to get this card. It's 690 to 850. That seems to be the trend. Everything I researched ends up telling me 690 to 850 in a lot of credit cards that I review. So that's the credit score you need. Get that credit score, and most likely you'll be able to get this card unless your debt to income ratio is just ridiculously high. So that was basically the 10,000 foot view. If I missed anything, please shoot me a comment down below and let me know all the other details of the card, is because I am interested in the card and I am going to be doing more research as I go. So like I said, that's the 10,000 foot view. If you wanted to dig into it and see it up close in person, then go ahead and do that. I'll have the link to their website and maybe NerdWallet. That's where I get my surface level information from. So if you wanted to check that out, go ahead and check that out. So now back to the question, is it worth it? I feel as though it is worth it the first year because you get, the 60,000 rewards points, then you get all of the credits. So you basically profit in a large way when you have the first year getting all these points, getting all of these credits, and, going from there. The second year, however, that's a different story. You still profit. If you look at all of the different credits that you get, $200 Uber credit, $200 airline credit, $200 baggage fee credit at $600, and then a $100 statement credit for Saks Fifth Avenue at $700. So you're over the $550 mark. And then you also have your 5 times membership rewards points for flights, and then you also have 5 times for hotels booked through Amex Travel. So I think that it could be worth it. It just all depends how much you travel. Because if you don't travel a lot, you're not gonna be able to use the airline credit. So that takes out $200. You're also not gonna be able to use the baggage fee credit. That takes out another $200. Uber, that's a different story. I mean, there's a lot of people that use Uber. So that would stay in there. Obviously, if you would wanna use it, then you would use it. The Saks Fifth Avenue credit, you would still get that. So that would be $300 that you would get in value versus the $550 annual fee. So it just all depends how much you travel. If you get this card, you want to start traveling. And that also means that you have to take time off of work and use your PTO, stuff like that, or you can just travel on the weekends if you wanted to. But if you don't travel enough, this card's not gonna be worth it. And that's plain and simple, really. So this is why I'm really trying to evaluate my situation to see how much we're going to travel. Because if we don't travel enough, I'm not gonna get the card. But I really do want the card because it does offer a lot of perks. And that bonus offer just feels good to be able to have that many points right from the start without having to spend and build points like that. So that's my quick review for the Amex Platinum card. Hopefully you liked this video. Like I said, it was a 10,000 foot view. So take everything I said with a grain of salt. If you have other things that are included in Amex Platinum that I should have covered, feel free to comment down below. I want to hear everything because I need to evaluate my own situation. So give me what you got. Shoot me a comment down below. But hopefully you like it. If you do, hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. It brings my videos up to the top and it just grows my YouTube channel. So hit the like button if you are supporting me. Even if you don't like it, still hit the like button because it helps another person out. So thank you for doing that. Also, like I said before, comment down below with anything that you're thinking of, not only related to the Platinum card, anything you want me to do in the future, all types of things like that. Also, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in this type of content. If you're interested in personal finance, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That also helps me out a lot. Also, remember that I'm doing a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. I'm giving away 2 Amazon gift cards, and every 1,000 subscribers from there on out, so 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, I'm giving away 2 Amazon gift cards at each milestone. So in order to enter that giveaway, just hit the subscribe button. But I'm gonna have to get out of here, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.